a small island barely 150 kilometers from Florida, but right now it sits at the center of a massive global tug of war. Cuba, America, Russia, China. And now the question echoing across global corridor is this: is Cuba becoming the next geopolitical flashpoint? Let's talk about the spark, the warning, and the challenge. In Havana, Cuban president has sent out a message. Canel is not shouting, not threatening, but standing firm. He says Cuba is ready to talk to the US, but there is a condition. No pressure, no bullying, no interference in Cuba's internal affairs. Cuba wants to talk, but only as equals. He insists that the island is not America's enemy and does not threaten Washington. Yet, he also makes one thing crystal clear: Cuba will not negotiate its sovereignty. But you know why is this happening? Because Cuba is under enormous strain. The island is facing one of the world's energy crises in years. Fuel is running dangerously low, blackouts are spreading, transport is slowing, hospitals, school, daily life, all affected. Why? Because Washington has been tightening the screws this time. The US has taken steps that limit the oil shipments reaching Cuba, including pressure on countries supplying fuel. Well, Cuban leaders call it an energy blockade that is choking their economy. And in the meantime, Washington argues that Cuba's internal policies, they are the real cause of the crisis. But wait, here's the twist. Despite rising tension, America is also sending humanitarian aid to the island. Yes, pressure and assistance happening at the same time. And then enters the global power. Yes, now the story grows bigger. China has openly supported Cuba's sovereignty. Russia too has backed Havana politically and maintained strong diplomatic alignment. In fact, Moscow and Beijing recently discussed global issues, including Cuba, and highlighted how closely their position match on several internal matters. Now that raises eyebrows across Washington because Cuba sits right in America's strategic backyard. And history reminds us, when great powers circle Cuba, the world watches nervously.